Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit smoky, something different and fun and colorful, but also dramatic. And I really wanted to try out a palette that I haven't used, a brand that I haven't used yet. I'm so excited to create this look because of how beautiful the look turned out. I am obsessed. I can't stop staring at my eyeshadow in the mirror. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Sample Beauty The Prodigy palette Jewel Toned Edition. The first shade I'm going into is Smokey Quartz. Starting with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start by running this through the crease area all the way into this inner part. Just going back and forth. And then start lightly just smoking that out into a winged out shape. I'm now going into Spinel. And then switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm going to start really lightly just applying that through the bottom of my crease. Again, all the way into the inner part of my crease right here. Whenever I do a smoky eye, I always concentrate on blending out the shadows through my crease first and perfecting that and diffusing it, and then I'll just pop the shadow onto my lid, and it makes the whole process just so much quicker and easier. And then you can pick up a little bit more shadow and start darkening this up and deepening it. Make it nice and intense. The shadow is so beautiful and they blend out so nicely. And then you can start smoking that out. So I kind of apply the brush right at the outer corner of my lid and then go up towards the tail of my brow. Obviously not fully to the tail of my brow. And then back into that crease area. And now picking up Smokey Quartz on my E38 again, and then just lightly dusting that on the high point of my crease and then smoking that back and forth to really nicely diffuse everything. And then picking up Smokey Quartz on my E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to start sweeping that along my lash line. I just realized I forgot to finish off my lid, so I'm going back into Spinel on my E54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm going to start packing that onto my lid. Now picking up Spinel on my E15 flat definer brush, I'm going to start applying that really close to my lower lash line, and then smoking that out. I'm now picking up Moonstone. Okay, now look at this shadow. The shadow is incredible. It is so soft and buttery. Wait until you see it on my lid. So I'm going to start by applying, I barely even touched my eye. I'm going to start by applying it really close to my lash line, just in the center of my lid. And then I'm going to start kind of pushing that and tapping that towards the inner corner of my lid. And then towards the outer corner of my lid. I want most of that pigment and shine to be right in the center. And then picking this up on my finger and applying this on my lower lash line. I just find that the shadow applies better with your finger. And then just taking my F70 concealer brush and just lightly dusting over that to really nicely distribute that sparkle and make sure it's lightly diffused out. And then now lightly just tap into the crease just to make sure everything is blended. You can go back and forth just a little bit. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I'm first going to line my upper waterline. And now I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. I am obsessed with the lid shadow, that reflect of it. It looks so cool. It was incredible putting it on. Wow. Okay, now for my lipstick, I'm going to go into this Buxom Bava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick and taupe it off. It's going to look so nice paired with this look. And that is it. This is a completed look of my purpley blue smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed and so in love with how this look turned out. I have to say that the palette is incredible. I mean, I only used 3 shadows from there, but it was so amazing. And this foil shadow truly blew me away. I mean, just look at the reflect. It is so pretty. I'm in love. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be in the description box, along with the products and brushes that I used to create this look. And I used my Paulina Favorites brush set with Sigma to create this look. That'll be listed down below as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!